Hello everyone. I'm working on a 17 Ram 2500. This is a trade-in vehicle, so I don't know the history on it, but the TPMS light's on and it does not show tire pressure for the left front on the display. So I'm going to scan the sensors, and the left front actually does give me pressure and temperature. We'll scan this left rear, and it is dead. So it's actually the left rear that's got a problem. So someone's probably rotated the tires at some point in time and it's not updated. So here's a sensor we're going to put in it. This is from the local O'Reilly's. It's a ready sensor, pre-programmed at 433 megahertz. I'll remove it and do a quick scan to see if it shows temperature. You should say around 0 psi, which it does. Some sensors you can't do that. They have to be installed with pressure before they will transmit. So I'll pull the valve core, let out the air, then I'll use my bead buster, this XB455. We're a small shop, so we don't have a tire machine. Most of our tire work goes down to the local discount tire or Les Schwab. On the speed buster, sometimes you have to do it 2 or 3 times around the bead if they're stuck on really good. Michelin's like to really stick on good. And the first time it didn't quite pop the bead all the way off. So we'll just work it down the wheel a little further. And keep loosening the bead up. And we'll try it one last time a little further down. There, we've popped the outer bead. And the first thing I notice, the sensor is broken off. So it's laying down there in the tire. Now I'm not going to mess with the balance on this because I'm not rotating the tire or doing anything with the weights. So this won't affect the balance of the wheel. You can see there's no sensor on it. So we'll pull this valve stem out. And there is some corrosion in the hole, so I'm going to take a small file and file that corrosion out. And there's the pieces in the battery from the old sensor. So I had to remove the tire and turn it upside down till the pieces fell out of the bead. I put a small amount of Sil Glide on this new stem. And install it in the wheel. And this one pulled in really hard. It was tough to get it to snap in there. You just pull it in until it completely seats. Reinstall the wheel. Pull the core, spray it with some soapy water, beat it up, and we'll check and adjust the pressure on all four and take it for a spin. And to update this, to relearn it, all you got to do is just drive it. Alright, it took about 3 minutes or so. Finally switched over. Lights off now. And I think I aired them up 60 in the front, 75 in the back. There we go. This one's fixed.